Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S5 versus the BMW M3. We'll start by looking at their performance. The Audi S5 boasts a powerful turbocharged V6 engine, delivering 349 horsepower for a smooth, refined drive. In contrast, the BMW M3 comes with a potent twin-turbo inline-six, pushing out 473 horsepower, emphasizing raw power and track-focused agility. Both offer thrilling acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour very quickly. Moving inside, the Audi S5 presents a sophisticated and comfortable interior, featuring premium materials and a refined aesthetic. It prioritizes a luxurious experience for both driver and passengers. The BMW M3, however, focuses on a driver-centric cockpit, integrating advanced technology and sportier accents. Both cars offer cutting-edge infotainment systems and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, ensuring a connected and safe journey. When it comes to design, the Audi S5 embodies a sleek, elegant aesthetic with its understated lines and sophisticated presence. It projects a sense of refined sportiness. The BMW M3, on the other hand, boasts a more aggressive and performance-oriented styling, with bold grilles and muscular bodywork that clearly signal its track capabilities. While their looks differ, both models typically start around $60,000, offering distinct value propositions. So which car is right for you? If you prioritize a blend of luxury, comfort, and refined performance for daily driving, the Audi S5 is an excellent choice. However, if you crave raw power, track-focused dynamics, and a more aggressive aesthetic, the BMW M3 will likely be your preference. Both are fantastic machines, but cater to different driving desires. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.